Do you say either or correctly? Sometimes we make mistake not only but also. Are you making this common mistake without realizing? Watch this full video to understand it clearly. Hi, I am Suresh Kumar from Nile Institute of Languages and Education, Bangalore. Please subscribe our channel. Today we are going to discuss correlative conjunctions. They are pairs of words such as either or, neither nor, and both and that work together. Either or used to present two choices. Example, you can either take the train or the bus. Neither nor used to connect two negative options. Neither the teacher nor the students were ready. Both and, this used to emphasize that two items are included. She is both intelligent and funny. Not only but also used to add an extra detail or emphasize a connection. He is not only talented but also hardworking. Whether or used to present possibilities or uncertainty. I don't know whether to go or stay. Rather than used to show preference. I would rather walk than run. Such that used to show cause and effect. It was such a loud noise that it woke the neighbors. Now some key rules, grammatical elements linked should be similar. If a verb follows either, a verb should follow or. Like subject plus verb agreement. When joining two subjects using neither nor or either or, the verb should agree with the subject closest to it. Example, neither the captain nor the players are going. Thank you.